Hey there! Previously, we showed you how to edit lease terms, tenant information, and lease transactions. Now let's show you how to edit lease attachments and utilities to keep everything organized. First, open the Contacts page, Tenant subpage, and view the profile of the tenant whose lease you'd like to edit. Next, switch to the Leases tab, find the relevant lease, and click the View button. Open the Agreements tab and click the Edit button. To share an attachment with your tenant, click the Upload File button in the Shared Attachments section. If you want the attachment to be visible only to you, click the Upload File button in the Private Attachments section. You can also delete a file by clicking the cross button. Make sure to click the Update button to save your changes. To edit utilities, go to the corresponding tab. In the Utility Providers section, you can edit provider requirements by clicking the Configure Utilities button. Make sure to click the Done button to save changes. To change who is responsible for paying and maintaining the utilities service, click the Edit Responsibility button in the Responsibility section. Make sure to click the Update button to save changes. Now you know how to keep your lease documents and utility details up to date and accessible at all times. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.